Have you ever thought about starting your own e-commerce business? Picture this, a world where you're the boss, where the office is wherever you choose, and the hours are entirely up to you. That's the thrill of e-commerce. E-commerce is more than just a buzzword, it's a growing global phenomenon. Around the world, millions of transactions are happening every second. And the best part? Anyone can participate in this digital marketplace. Imagine the freedom of running your business from the comfort of your living room or a beachfront cafe on a tropical island. The flexibility that comes from setting your own schedule. The financial rewards that could come from selling a product or service you truly believe in. The world of e-commerce is a vast ocean filled with potential and opportunity. And the beauty of it all is that there's still plenty of room for newcomers. So, if the idea of running your own online business excites you, stick around, we're about to break it down into manageable steps. The first step in starting an e-commerce business is determining your niche. This decision is a vital one as it will guide your entire business journey. The magic happens when you can couple your passion with a niche where you possess knowledge and expertise. This combination will not only make the journey more enjoyable but will also make it easier to connect with your target audience. Now, passion and knowledge aren't enough on their own. You need to conduct thorough market research to confirm there's a demand for your chosen niche. Ask yourself, are people searching for the products you want to offer? And importantly, are they willing to purchase them online? Remember, e-commerce is a vast playing field, and while competition is inevitable, picking a niche where you can offer something unique and valuable will give you a competitive edge. Once you've chosen a profitable niche you're passionate about, you're ready for the next step. In the sea of e-commerce, what will make your business stand out? This is a question every entrepreneur should ask themselves. In the world where online businesses are popping up like mushrooms after a rain shower, you need a unique selling proposition, a USP. Now, what's a USP? Simply put, it's a factor that differentiates your product or service from those of your competitors. It's the why that makes customers choose you over others. Imagine you're a customer, surfing through a multitude of online stores, all offering similar products. What's going to make you stop and click buy on one particular site? It's their USP. Maybe they offer free shipping, or their products are eco-friendly, or perhaps they guarantee delivery within 24 hours. Having a strong USP is like having a secret weapon. It's what makes you unique, and it's what can make you successful. Remember, in the crowded e-commerce world, being different is being remembered. With a compelling USP, you'll have a key advantage in the highly competitive e-commerce landscape. Starting an e-commerce business does require some capital, but it might be less than you think. Let's break it down. One of the first costs you'll encounter is website development. Whether you're hiring a professional or purchasing a ready-made platform, this is a crucial investment for your online storefront. Next, you'll need to consider your inventory. The cost here can vary greatly depending on your product line. If you're selling handmade crafts, your capital could be tied up in materials. For those dropshipping, initial costs might be lower, but remember to account for order fulfillment and shipping. Marketing is another essential expenditure. From social media advertising to email campaigns, getting your name out there will require both time and money. So, where does this capital come from? It could be personal savings, a business loan, or maybe you've attracted an investor. Remember, every business is unique, so your capital needs will vary. With a clear understanding of the costs and a plan to secure capital, you're well on your way to starting your e-commerce business. Before you launch, there are a few more essentials you'll need to have in place. First up, a user-friendly website. It's your digital storefront, so make it welcoming and easy to navigate. Think clear product descriptions, high-quality images, and a seamless checkout process. Next, secure payment processing. This is non-negotiable. Customers need to trust that their transactions are safe. So invest in a reliable and secure payment gateway. This not only protects your customers, but also your reputation. Now let's talk marketing. Effective marketing strategies are key to driving traffic to your site. SEO, social media marketing, email newsletters. These are all tools you should be wielding to attract and retain customers. There are also numerous resources and tools available to help in these areas, from website builders like Shopify and Wix, to payment processors like PayPal and Stripe, and marketing platforms like MailChimp and Hootsuite. With these essentials in place, you're ready to launch your e-commerce business. Now, go forth and conquer the digital marketplace.